so it is recording.
In a land where noobs attempt to do things that they know nothing about, only these two can deliver. Doc and Terry in an action-packed adventure to do a drone review. The odds are stacked against them. Will they conquer the drone settings and features?
No!
Will they stop crashing into bushes and trees?
No!
Will there be action? Adventure? Suspense?
Do you trust me?
Burning hot passion? Actually, no. In fact, this drone review turns out to be a complete and utter failure, and turns into a small trail run through the trash trails of Perris, California, where dodging nails and broken bottles was the height of the suspense. I guess. Terry and Doc are noobs doing stuff. Coming soon to a YouTube channel near you.
I love my shirt. Lower.
Go.
Don't make me do something stupid.
Right there. Right there. Yeah.
Pretty steep,
It was. So pretty up here.
It is pretty. It's all this trash. If we even caught any of that video, for some reason it seems like one of my SD cards is corrupted, and we ended up at my mother-in-law. Ay, suegra, saludos al YouTube.
Saludos, bendiciones.
Ándale. And then we ended up doing some of this right here. Where's Cookie at?
Cookies over there. ¿Es qué?
La Cookie.
Cookie.
I'll introduce you to Cookie right now. Where's she at? That's Cookie right there. So we'll give you a rundown or a review of her tacos de what? De bochornos?
Tacos de...
What are they called, Lupe?
Tacos de chamorro. Chamorro.
The chamorro. You want to know why I'm so fat? This is why. This is why I'm fat. This is why I'm fat. This is why. This is why. This is why I'm fat.
This is why I cook.
Oh yeah, so I didn't try. I forgot to give you guys a review on the tacos de chamorro. Pretty damn good. They kind of had a flavor of I don't know. It kind of tastes like cabeza almost, but I don't know. Maybe I'm tripping. Real tender meat and really good. Old Lupe right there, or AKA Cookie, she gets down. She knows how to cook. And so yeah, the beans were real flavorful. The meat was real flavorful, and then we threw some sour cream, some cotija, some lettuce, tomatoes, and that salsa was fire. literally fire. Like, it was hot as hell. But yeah, nonetheless. So that was a breakdown for today. It was a good time. It's always a good time going to visit my mother-in-law. She's a lot of fun to hang out with. You know, sometimes you can make an adventure out of just going to your mother-in-law's house. Even though for some of us, not me, but for some of us, going to the mother-in-law's house could be an adventure all by itself. But whenever you're out and about and you see something, go check it out. I mean, that's what it's all about, right? You go out there, you see a dirt trail that you've never seen before, and you say, hey, why not? And that's what happened today. So I'm gonna give you just a little quick rundown of city of Perris. You know, Perris is a very pretty place. Unfortunately, it's not well maintained. Who do you blame for that? Who do we blame for that, babe? I don't know. You can blame the city, you can blame the residents, or I don't know. But it's such a pretty place, man, and it's unfortunate that you got all these real nice trails and you can't even use them because there's freaking glass and nails and trash all over the damn place. Why? I don't get it. But, you know, I didn't come on here to beat up on Perris. Perris, you're beautiful. Unfortunately, nobody's taking care of you.